बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रेंड्स एंड लिसनर्स। आज हम बात करेंगे स्विट्ज़रलैंड की। स्विट्ज़रलैंड इज़ अ कंट्री लोकेटिंग इन द हार्ट ऑफ यूरोप। लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू द लोकेशन ऑफ स्विट्ज़रलैंड। If you vertically divide map of Europe into two equal halves, on its western border France is located, and on its eastern side Austria and a microstate Liechtenstein are situated. Now divide map of Europe horizontally into two equal halves. You will find that Italy is locating on southern side of Switzerland and Germany is on its northern border. So we can say that Switzerland is a neighbor of France, Germany, Italy, Austria and the microstate Liechtenstein. Switzerland is only 41,285 square kilometers and has a population of around 8 million people. Only 8 million people. Very interesting. It means less than 1 crore. German, French, Italian and Romansh are the national languages of Switzerland. Switzerland is known as a neutral state. You will often, in situations of conflict, hear people say, "I am Switzerland." What does that phrase mean? I am Switzerland means I am a neutral person. Switzerland produces over 400 types of cheese, and the Swiss consume about 35 pounds of cheese per person each year. This is a very big number. 35 pounds of cheese Swiss people consume per person each year. They also consume more chocolate than any other country in the world. It's really very interesting that Swiss people consume, it means they love chocolates. That's why they consume more chocolates than any other country in the world. Another thing Switzerland is quite famous for is their watches. Swiss watches dominate the watchmaking industry. Brands like Tag Heuer, Rolex, Rado, Omega are all Swiss brands. This country is home to some great tourist destinations, amazing culture, beautiful festivals and delicious food. All of these are what makes Switzerland and the amazing place that it is. The Swiss people love food so much that they have food festivals such as the street food festival that takes place in Zurich. Switzerland is a confederation that is composed of 26 cantons. This division has been done for administrative purposes. These cantons are further organized into subdivisions and cities. The two largest cities in Switzerland are Zurich and Geneva. But keep remember, these two countries are not the capital cities of Switzerland. So guess what is the capital city? The capital city is Bern. This is a gorgeous city with a panoramic view. A famous and beautiful tourist destination in Bern is the Old Town. The city is also known for its pastries, hot chocolates and the ice cream. That was all about Switzerland which I told you in this video. In next video I am going to explore political system and politics in Switzerland. So stay tuned. Take care. Allah Hafiz.